for my comeback, I am getting a good one. So my journey was really beautiful. I have started my first movie with Venus Company, which was with Akshay Kumar and John Abraham. So many times I've got this ups and downs. So what I do, I change my lookout to the other profession.
Hello, everyone. You're watching Success Stories Season 2, presented by Trident Communications in association with World Humanitarian Foundation. I'm Alka, your host for today, and our guest for today is Nikita Rawal. She is known as an organizer and performer in Bollywood and South Indian movies, and she's also the founder of Astha Foundation, and which works for the welfare of the society. So now that we have Nikita on our show, let's hear about her journey of success. Hello, Nikita. How are you?
Hello, I'm fine, thank you. And then I'm feeling really, really positive by joining you. And it is amazing feeling. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you so much, Nikita, for giving us your time for this episode of Success Stories.
My pleasure.
So, Nikita, you have worked with Bollywood, Tollywood, and TV. So, how has the journey been and how did it begin?
Thank you so much, first of all, for amazing introduction from you. And my journey was really beautiful. I have started my first movie with Venus Company, which was with Akshay Kumar and John Abraham. The movie name called Garam Masala. And then I have done Black and White, and then Mr. Hot, Mr. Cool, and so many after that, one or the other. So it was amazing journey. And then I used to present India internationally by doing Kathak dance. So that was also my form. And proudly, I can see that I am one of the Indian who present our country. And few videos and so many awards and so much love from industry, so much love from media, so much love from our fans. So yes, it's been amazing. My journey was totally great and positive.
So, people believe that people who are born and brought up in Mumbai have a bigger edge as compared to others to get their first break into Bollywood or something like that. So, was your journey like really easy or was it full of struggles?
No, it's like first break, it was easy for me because when I was in Methi Pai College, so it was my annual function and there I was dancing. So from the Venus Company's owner, he's not in this world, but his name is Mr. Champak Jain. So he just chose me for his first movie. And as a Paresh Rawal's niece, so it was easy for me to get first film. But after that, obviously, it was a very difficult because your guidance or your people, they will introduce you, but after that, how you work and how you take care of your acting career and how good you are, so you have to take care of it. So then it was little bit, after first film, it was little bit difficult for me.
So, how was the experience working with Bollywood legends like Anil Kapoor, Akshay Kumar, and John Abraham? Like, was it really tough because these people are some well reputed and known people in the industry?
I was really scared, first day of shoot. And I was literally like crying. I don't know what, because they are legend, and they are institute. So, I mean, I have learned a lot from them and it was amazing. Firstly, it was scary for me, but it's been amazing. I've learned a lot from them. So it's been amazing journey for me. And they taught me a lot.
Okay. So after a break, your new movie is due, and the movie's name is Roti Kapda and Romance, alongside Arshad Varsi and Chunky Pandey. So how was
Yes.
the experience working in the movie?
See, first time I am doing comic movie after Garam Masala. It's been almost after 5-6 years. So it is beautiful, to coming back with the actor kind of Arshad Varsi and Chunky Pandey, who's like amazing in comic role. So it is very good for me, and I for my comeback I am getting a good one. So a movie 80% is completed, and I have been doing amazing work with them on this movie. So 70% shoot are complete, 30% remain, which we're gonna do in next month. It is comic movie. I am playing one of the main character, main heroine, you can say. and playing a little bit gray shade also in this. So yes, it's been amazing journey.
All right. So all the best for the movie, and we hope to see it on the floor soon.
Thank you so much.
And this journey, who has been your biggest inspiration and support?
In this journey, my mother has been amazing support and inspiration, and my sister. So this both women are equally important in my life. Without them, I'm stuck. I feel every day stuck if they are not around. So they have been my inspiration, and I'm going according to them ahead.
So we know, Nikita, that apart from being an actress, you are also a social worker. So what was the
Yes.
idea behind Astha Foundation when you found it?
See, there was I believe that you take lot of things from society, which is nature also, and you can say you grew up with the things. So now, if you as you cross 20, 25 or 30 age, you have to give back to society. One evening, I've got a call from one of my friend by saying that a 2 years old kid, uh, uh, I mean, lie down at the railway track. So I went there and I saw this kid, and I took her. Her name is Jyoti. So after that, I realized that people need us. And then I took her to hospital. She was HIV positive. So that's how I started my journey with my foundation. And then it was like one, second, third, fourth. I have a 60 HIV positive kid adopted now till the date. It's been 4 years. And yes, this how my Asta Foundation journey started. So basically, I work for HIV positive kids, women empowerment, and women healthcare. So this is my Asta Foundation.
That's really nice and noble job that you're doing there. So the question is that are you getting any support from the government for your foundation?
No, I am not getting right now, but I think I am trying because government hospital uh, give free HIV positive medicines. Uh, but I think till date I haven't got any help from that. So I think I'm trying. I'm just talking to those people. See if they can give. Otherwise, I am doing my work.
That's a
I
really
will be
noble thing
very
that
honest.
you're doing there, Nikita. And we wish that you get all the support that you require.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So, Nikita, like with the social work and the acting, there must be a lot of struggles that you have to face, and ups and downs are a part of daily life. So, when you have your ups and downs, how do you deal with them?
I've got so many ups and downs in my life since when I've started my career with my good family friend, and with my co-actor co-actor friends and all. But so many times I've got this ups and downs. So what I do, I change my lookout to the other profession. So when I got it from Bollywood, I went to Tollywood, and then I used to present India internationally. So I used to take my vision there that I have to do more events and more performances. So that's how I shift my vision in between, and then I come on track.
All right. So, with so many things going on at the same time, how do you balance your personal and professional life?
It's very easy when you like something from inside. I mean, it's very easy to take care of everything. It's just like when some of the day I'm doing shoot, or if I'm not shooting, then my foundation. If I'm not going there, then I have my practice or events or performance events. So many things to do. And then yoga. If I'm doing nothing, then I do yoga, spend time with my family. So all these things I balance nicely,
All
easily,
right.
you can say.
So we know that Roti Kapra and Roti Kapra and
Romance.
Romance is the next movie that you are like expecting. Apart from that, what are the future plans or any upcoming projects?
My one of web series coming on Z. So it's like 2 episodes we have already shot. Now we are going on for that. So I think maybe till the August it's gonna be come on a platform.
So all the very best for that as well. And I personally hope to see that soon.
Thank you so very much.
So Nikita, as you said, like you keep shifting the profession. If it's a down in Bollywood, then you shift to Tollywood, and you have kept yourself busy throughout. So is there any unforgettable moment or
Yes.
event that you would like to share?
There was a one event in US when I was doing. So it was a stage performance when I have completed my Kathak performance, and then few Shan was also there. Shan Singer was also there. So we all were there, and suddenly our patriotic song started, and we have hold our flag, and we were just roaming. We were just saluting our country's flag. So that was my beautiful moment in my life, because when you are in other country and you hear this kind of song or feeling, so it's beautiful. So that moment was really beautiful for me and a proud moment.
So, Nikita, there's something similar between you and Trident Communications. Just like you have Asta Foundation, Trident Communications associated partner is World Humanitarian Foundation, and they work towards women empowerment. So, what are your views about women around the world?
First of all, I am really happy to know that Trident also doing some great work, and congratulate you guys, and kudos to you, because this work is, I know how difficult it is when you go on the ground to do this work. So you're doing really great job, and but I think women empowerment is very good topic to do, because we have a lot of problem in women empowerment. So even I face every day, and these women are like so used to for their home and sick life, so they are not ready to come out. So this is very difficult step what we are taking, but at the same time it is really beautiful topic to raise. So you're doing really great work.
Thank you so much, Nikita. And as we are heading towards the end of this episode, and since the name of our show is Success Stories, so if you had to define success, what would be the definition?
For me, success is when you having everything, but you're not happy from inside. That is not success. You having everything and you are happy from inside with your family. That is success for me.
So Nikita, that was a really lovely interview with you. And before we leave, we would like you to leave one message for our viewers.
We are facing really bad situation, and we are trying to come up with the very sad situation. But this time we need to keep patience and work hard, because we have gone back 10 years. We have lost everything, a small, a big businessman, a small thela walas, and all the people. We have lost so many things. So this is the best moment our life, that we can try very hard for our career and very hard for our family, and to get back on a normal life. So I just want to tell you all that keep patience and keep doing hard work.
Thank you so much, Nikita, for that lovely message. And thank you so much for your time for this episode of Success Stories.
Thank you so very much. Thank you.